Hello guys and welcome. We're still in the past exam questions. So today we have quadratic pattern for grade 11. The 4.1 is consider the quadratic pattern of 3, 5, 8, 12. Determine the value of T26. We are asked to calculate the value in position 26. How are you going to do that? What you know is that the quadratic have a general pattern of Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. Once you have the general rule for the pattern, you can find any term in the sequence. Another thing that you know is that the quadratic have a constant second difference. The first difference is 12 minus 8, 4, 8 minus 5, 3, 5 minus 3, 2. The second difference, 4 minus 3, 1, 3 minus 2, 1. We already knew that the second difference is constant. The values are constant. Then in your general, you have A and B and C. So equate the second difference to 2A. So in the exam, not to forget, just simply write this is 2A. Here it's 3A plus B. Here it's A plus B plus C. So to make it simple, so we'll go straight and say 2A is equals to 1. A is equals to 1 over 2. This is 3A plus B. We said is equals to the first difference. The first difference value is 2. Substitute A is 1 over 2 plus B. Solve for B. 2 transpose 3 over 2 is negative 3 over 2. B is 1 over 2. A plus B plus C is equals to the value of the first term in the sequence, of which is 3 in this case. A is 1 over 2, B is 1 over 2, C is equals to 3. C is equals to 3, half plus half is 1, transpose 1 to the side, become negative 1. C is equals to 2. Therefore, the general rule of this sequence is Tn is equals to, substituting the values, A is half n squared, half n plus 2. Then this is the same as n squared over 2 plus n over 2 plus 2. Then the question was to determine the value in position 26. Now that we have the rule of the sequence, we can therefore find the value. This is the term in position 26. So this is simply means when there is n, we substitute 26, as n means the position. So it's 26 squared over 2 plus 26 over 2 plus 2. Then term 26 is equals to, simply just press this into your calculator and the sum of these numbers will be 353. So in short, the value in position 26 into this sequence will be 353. 4.2. A certain quadratic pattern has the following characteristics. T1 is P, so term 1 is P. T2 is 18, term 2 is 18. T4 is 4 T1, so for now we don't have a value of T3, so in term 4 It's 4 multiplied by the value in position 1 of which is p. In short, it's 4p. This is the sequence. And again, we are told that T3 minus T2 is 10. So the difference between term 3 and term 2 is 10. So the difference here is 10. So that simply means term 3 is 28. Then the question, determine the value of p. We are looking for the value of p. As it's a quadratic pattern, we now know that we must have the first difference and the second difference. So the first difference will be 4p minus 28. 28 minus 18 is 10. Then 18 minus p. This is the first difference. Moving on to the second difference. Second difference will be 4p minus 28 minus 10. It's 10 minus, in brackets because we're minus in 2 terms, it's 18 minus p. Then how to find the value of p? What you know is that in the second difference, the values are equal or they are the same. So to find the value of p, we'll equate the second constant difference. So that will be 10 minus into 18 minus p equals to 4p minus 28 minus 10. Then we solve for p, remove the brackets by multiplying each term by negative. So this is 10 minus 18 plus p equals to 4p, this minus 38. So this is p, take the 4p to the left hand side, become negative 4p is equals to negative 38. 10 minus 18 is negative 8. Transpose the negative 8 to the right side, become positive 8. P minus 4p is negative 3p. Negative 38 plus 8 is negative 8. Solve for p, divide by negative 3 both sides. P is equals to positive 10. So in short, the value of p in the sequence first term is 10. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like and share. Thank you guys.